Meet Sarah. Like many of us, Sarah was tired of seeing her hard-earned money being spent on her electricity bill. Every month, a significant chunk went straight to heating water, leaving her feeling frustrated and helpless. One sunny afternoon, Sarah started wondering,
why can't I use solar energy to save money every month?
and that's how she discovered the solar geyser conversion kit from Ampere Technologies. Sarah contacted Ampere Technologies, and their friendly experts assisted her with the entire process. All that was needed were a few solar panels along with a solar geyser controller kit fitted to her existing geyser. Ampere Technologies ensured a quick and seamless installation that reduced her electricity bill by up to 40% immediately without the hassle of changing any plumbing. The reliable solar power ensures Sarah and her family enjoy endless hot showers with a much lower electricity bill.
Just like Sarah, you too can experience the benefits of saving electricity. Don't wait any longer. Contact us today for additional info with a free quotation. Discover how Ampere Technologies can transform your water heating and save you money while protecting the planet.